Shwa bangin Sdang ya ka kubor, ni kerpat ipi ki nongpek, ban subscribe ya ka ni ka channel, ban click ya notification bell, ba pin yo kloy ki kubor na ka jela.
Tamasa Kieng Lieng Megha Kayak Festival ar Basauski kabade kawei na Tamasa Kieng Lieng Heh Tam haka Sdang mynta haka shnong Umtham Ri-Bhoi District balawan ru ban shim bynta da ki spah ki nongkieng lieng kynthup ya ki nongshim bynta bapau na kylleng kiri ka pyrthei ki bala shim bynta ru haka Olympic bat kumjuh ru ki nongshong shnong ka Umtham ki bala da pentebet yalade bat sha hikai ya kate ka Megha Kayak Festival ar la penlong da ka Ri-Bhoi Water Sports and Tourism Co-Operative Society ya Wah Umtrew Umtham Ri-Bhoi da ka jing ang ngut ban penlong ya ka jela Meghalaya kawei na ki jaka penlong ya kate ka jan jing le kai bat ban pen itu sya ka pyrthei ban ka jelaru ki don ki khna ki badan ya kate ka sap nya lieng bat le si ru na pedang kita ki ki baya shim bentaru ki sadan ki ban mi khmat shakiwi ki lumpung ki bahe hakari but what shadow Olympic
Made a good start, off he goes down the course. Only 11 years old. Youngest competitor at the event. Yay! Go on! Go, go, go!
You're the best!
From Karnataka. Oh, she's over. Trying to roll. Can't see from here. Start didn't go according to what he planned, but he'll make up for time now. Got all the power. Go, Vikai!
Whenever you are ready, give me a thumbs up. Alright, countdown for number 9 here. 3, 2, 1, go!
Vikas Rana, 19 years old, from Umtham village, making a very good start, powering away. Go, Indra! Indra Sharma, 13 years old. Go, Indra, from Umtham village, very keen paddler. Go, Indra! Go, go, go! Indra's very enthusiastic. Local kayaker. Oh, it's over. Can he make a roll? Yay! Oh! may banjok, kakra. Komla birwa. Going nicely. Doing style. Umtham. Go, Batskill. Lot of power. As he charges down the river, going for a different line this time. Looks like he's scouted the river, found the best line down. Go, Batskill. He's got a very good chance in this race. Round 2 is almost completed. Highest human Kaba, 16 years old, from Umtham. Nongshim, from Ri-Bhoi.
From Mexico.
And I'm from Italy.
Italy. Okay.
Yeah.
Welcome to our.
Thank you.
Thank
So
you.
can you share something about this sporting happening for the first time? Maybe first time here.
Yes.
How do you share something about your experience?
It's awesome here. I love it. I'm super happy to be in India and it's great.
Yeah, it's my first time too, and I'm enjoying it. I'm trying to reach as much people as I can and enjoy as much paddling as possible. I really love it.
Okay, are you competing in which category?
We're competing in the professional category.
Yeah.
So you will be competing with how many participants out here?
We don't know how many they are, but I think there's quite a bit of paddlers, so it will be exciting.
Okay. So can you share about this location here? How do you feel? Since you have been practicing this, so you share about that.
Yeah, it's really nice. The weather is changing a lot during day by day, so we need to adapt every time. The rapid is quite fun, and to put some slalom gates, it makes it even more interesting. And yeah, it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be hard, and it's gonna be like really a good memory when we come back to our country.
What about you?
Yeah, I really like it here. Meghalaya is a really cool place, and I'm really happy and thankful to be here.
Since you have been competing in this kind of event since long, maybe. So, what is the message from you guys to our state, especially in our state in India, about this sporting?
I think it's one of the best sport. I really love to enjoy the river and the nature. I think it gives you a view that is not common, and we managed to paddle in places where there are no people. It's just something that you can only reach by kayaking. And I think it's really good to develop something also here in India, so we can meet your athletes around the world in other competitions.
I would say that take care of your rivers because you guys have a paradise, and keep developing the sport and fight for your dreams.
Thank you very much.
My name is Yuzil Yangrai. I stay in Shillong Whitewater Village in Umtham, and I am 11 years old.
So, did you experience?
It's good.
Is there any challenges?
Challenges. There was a class 3 rapid at the bottom. So
That's the challenge.
yes,
So,
it was 2 minutes 32 seconds.
okay.
Along with me, 11.
Okay. So you will be learning.
Yes.
What is your message?
Trying and never give up.
Thank you. So apart from the
Italy invested in all the kayaks and the gear, but right now as we have formed a society, we are thinking of investing through the society so that all these years we have trained our local boys free of charge, and but it is not sustainable to do at a personal level. So we believe that through the cooperative society we will be able to give them that facility to train.
is there any
Seed fund to host this festival, we have received the funds.
what is your required?
They are looking into it, we believe that with the success of this festival, they will have more reason to invest so that this can be promoted, because local talents are there and water is there, so it shouldn't be a big problem to promote at a professional level.
In Ri-Bhoi
Okay, so as far as the kayaking festival here goes, this is the 5th edition of the kayak festival, but this is one of the biggest editions, and thanks to like the Meghalaya tourism and thanks to the Ri-Bhoi Co-Operative Society, they have made this possible. It's a good there's a good prize money. It's among the highest amount of prize money for any kayaking competition in the world, which is why we've attracted a lot of people for this competition. Almost 60 to 70 participants are there today. We have about 18 to 20 different nationalities. We have people from France, we have people in Czech Republic, we have people from New Zealand, people from Mexico, America, from all 4 corners of the world. A lot of kayakers from India also have come. People have come from Uttarakhand, people have come from Karnataka, people have come from Kerala. So I would say that this is like one of the biggest adventure sports festivals that is happening in India right now, or even Asia, in terms of like the kind of quality of athletes that are there competing at this festival. So, and also for the athletes, they are very happy to be here because Meghalaya has a lot of like amazing rivers, from medium rivers to like very hard rivers. So all the international athletes that have come from different places, they are really enjoying being in Meghalaya with the weather. Now it's changing, it's becoming a little bit nicer, and also the flows are pretty strong, and the competition here, people have got a place to stay, and the setting is so beautiful that I think everybody, including the organizers, are having a great time over here.
regarding to the location.
This is, I think, one of the best setups that you can have anywhere in the country. The kind of access that you have to this particular section. This is like about a class 3 to class 4 section, which means it is medium to hard difficulty, and it's a great place to train people. So if you all can maybe set up like a proper kayaking center over here with like access to equipment, because you have the access to the river. If you can coordinate like the schedules with the dam upstream, so there is water like for a couple of hours a day, I think this can be like one of the best centers in this country for the sport, for training of this sport. So in fact, from the 2024 Olympics, this particular discipline that we are going to have, the race that we are going to have on the 15th, that is set to become an Olympic sport, and we want to like showcase that we can execute or organize a race for that Olympic sport right over here, so that this can automatically become the center for that particular race in India. And yeah, in that sense, like the area is great. You have access to the water, you have like a great river over here. Just need to develop the facilities over here a little bit better, have access to equipment, have access to better coaches, and have a proper format where people from the local villagers who want to take up the sport, or even people from Shillong, right, or people in the rest of Meghalaya, if they want to take up the sport, they can come here, train, and get better at it.
What do you see
It's that I've seen, because I live in Bangalore, and I have seen some of these athletes come to Kerala and train over there. And there's some like great amount of talent, because the people who come from these villages are quite athletic in general, and for this kind of sport you have to be a strong athlete. So yeah, people over here seem to be like mountain people, naturally built, and as long as they're comfortable with the water, they can definitely pick up the sport and get better at it. So yeah, I see the future is great, because you have a great playground, and all we need to do is make some infrastructure and kayaks and this available to you all, and then there is no stopping people from Meghalaya to going like great places.